Another food trip destination na naman ang dinayo at isi-share namin sa inyo that offers some of our favorite comfort food tulad ng pizza, iba't ibang choices ng drinks tulad ng coffee and milk tea, fries and burgers. Ilan lang yan sa marami yung pagpipilian dito sa The Hungry Bar na located dito sa loob ng Berkeley Square along Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. Dito lang sa may second floor yung resto nila and kita nyo naman dining area pa lang malinis and simply aesthetic, and open naman sila dito daily from 12 p.m. to 1 a.m. When it comes to their menu, they have different combo meals and breakfast meals, pizza, burger, and chicken wings. Inuna na nga namin dyan yung cheesy beef nachos fries na talaga namang loaded at hindi tinipid sa toppings. Ito naman yung 10-inch overload pizza nila. The dough is the typical na matitikman natin, pero na-surprise talaga ako dun sa lasa. Similar siya sa overload ng isang sikat na brand eh. Sa chicken wings naman, no complaints, sakto yung laki, fried properly at luto hanggang loob. And parehas nga masarap yung natikman naming hickory barbecue and garlic parmesan. Ito isa sa mga strong point nila, yung kanilang mga burgers. This is their quarter pounder aloha, and look at that, 185 pesos lang yan ha, pero talagang hindi tinipid, and yung mismong burger patty was really good. And kung couple naman kayo, sulit na tong Hungry Meal Box 3 nila. May dalawa ng klase ng burgers, 2 slices ng pizza, and meron na ring fries for only 285 pesos. May mga all-day breakfast nga rin sila dito tulad ng hot silog, Hungarian silog, bacon silog, at itong burger steak, lalo na pagpartner mo ng kanilang steak sauce. Talagang malasa, and it has that peppery taste in a good way. Although in the future, sana magkaroon sila ng 2-piece burger steak option. For their drinks naman, ako talagang mananawa kayo dito. Ang dami nilang choices. Meron silang mga fruities if tamang refreshment lang yung hanap nyo. Masarap nga rin daw at approved sa kids yung kanilang mga milk tea. Mango Graham shake nila is okay din since real mango yung ginamit. Samahan mo pa na masarap na quality ng pearl. Sobrang satisfying nga rin kami sa mga fraps nila dito tulad nitong strawberry, java chips, and itong kanilang dark choco Nutella frap. Lahat ng flavors talagang okay at marami pa kaming dapat masubukan. And after a good meal, mag-try nga rin kayo dito ng kanilang mga hot drinks. Masarap na pampababa ng kinain.
Hello mga ka-hungry! We are inviting you to our store here at The Hungry Bar, Berkeley Commonwealth Branch. Try nyo po ang aming mga bestseller na meron po kaming TLC Burger, Bacon Burger. We have also the Hungry Meal Box po with fries na po and wings. At sa mga addict po dyan sa coffee, hindi po nawawala ang aming coffee. And also we have milk tea, prop, fruit teas, and mango shake po. See you soon mga ka-hungry!